So hello guys, welcome to another video. I haven't been making videos for a long time because I couldn't find a good topic to make the video on. Okay, so today we will learn about I will give you an introduction to the graphics window. Okay, so no need to worry, it is very easy. It is just like the text window and you don't need to worry at all. So for it first, before we wrote all our programs using the text window keyword, right? A text window only provides us text related input and output functionality, but the graphics window allows us graphic related input and output functionality. So it allows us to show graphics, okay, like rectangles, squares, circles, etc. Okay, so first of all, graphics window dot, so there are tons of properties for the graphics window, but you don't need to worry. They are very only some of them are you will only some of them you will use in most of your programs. Okay, so first we'll use background color. Okay, so in background color, remember, always remember this. We don't put the color in brackets and double quote. Don't put the color in brackets. Okay, if you put it in brackets, it will show this: cannot find operation background color in graphics window. So we don't put brackets, we put a equal to sign. Okay, we put a equal to sign, and now if I run this, as you can see, the background color of the graphics window is red, right? So it is very cool. Yeah, yes. Okay, and yes, and one more thing, graphics window dot title. Okay, so just like the text window, we'll use equal to mark. So just like the text window, we could put a title to text window. We'll do the same in graphics window. Graphics window title equals um, introduction to graphics. Okay, and run. As you can see, the title now is introduction to graphics window. Okay, so then the next thing we will do is, wait a second, yes, the next thing we will do, now we will create a rectangle. So no, not before creating a rectangle, we will do graphics window dot set brush color. Okay, so first we have to set the brush color to, for example, if I'll set it to this, I'll set to um, blue, I guess, yes, and the brush color I will set to red. Okay, so now whenever we fill a rectangle, okay, so it will make the color of the any figure that we make, it will make the color of that figure red. Okay, so then graphics window dot, now we'll use draw, we will use draw rectangle. Okay, so draw ellipse draws a circle. Okay, draw rectangle draws a rectangle or a square according to the values you give to it. Okay, so for example, now I will draw a rectangle. Okay, so as you can see here, it has told us what values do we have to put, like whatever values we put, what will they mean. Okay, so is the x value means the horizontal, means uh, x value means the place in the horizontal axis where it will be here, 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 or here. Y value means the vertical axis, so here, 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 here. Okay, and then the width and height, so width of the rectangle is this, like how wide it is, and height is how how long it is. Okay, so for example, I'll set x value as 30 and y value as 60, and then for now I'm drawing a rectangle, so I'll keep the width and height different. 54, this is a bit not big. 20 comma 12 is this is fine. So the width and the height and the x and the y values, all of these are the pixels. So this will be 30 pixels from the left, this will be 60 pixels from the bottom, this will be 20 pixels wide, this will be 12 pixels long. Okay, that's how. So for now, if I only draw a rectangle, okay, so it is very small. So as you can see, the border of the rectangle is black, but it doesn't have any color, right? It is just the background color. Okay, first I'll increase the size, it is very small. Okay, I'll set 200 and 120. Okay, and then you remember that we had set the brush color to red. Now we will use that only. Okay, graphics window dot fill rectangle. Okay, draw rectangle, then fill rectangle, and we'll put the same coordinates that we put for where we use the rectangle. Okay, so just it is normal, easy. Okay, so we are drawing the rectangle according to these. Okay, so and this, it will fill the rectangle which has the same coordinates as the text inside it. Okay, the text inside it is equal to the text here. Okay, for example, if I set the height to 121, as you can see, okay, so it has still colored. Okay, so it doesn't matter. So but to keep it safe, you only use the same values that you took to draw a rectangle. You can copy them, Ctrl plus C, and then paste them in the fill rectangle. Okay, the values, keep the values the same. Okay, so as you can see, now we have drawn a rectangle with this size, right? So yes, okay. So yes, graphics window dot can resize, no. So actually we can draw a triangle also. Okay, so for now I'll draw ellipse. It is the same as the rectangle values. For example, I'll keep this as 40, not 40, I'll keep this as 70 comma 40 comma, the size I'll keep as same as the rectangles, and then I'll graphics window dot back. So first, now I'll change the brush color. Okay, I'll set. Okay, so I'll just copy this. Okay, cut this before the draw ellipse. Okay, so it doesn't matter where I place the brush color, above or below this, it doesn't matter. Okay, brush color equals, now I will set it to yellow. So brush color equals yellow. It has drawn the rectangle. Okay, so the color of the rectangle will be red, as it has drawn the rectangle. Okay, but now we have set the brush color as yellow. So when we fill the circle, it will be the yellow. It will be yellow in color. Okay, so yes. Now it should work. Okay, so as you can see, so it is called draw ellipse and not draw circle, as according to the width and height you set, it can also be a oval. Okay, or a circle. So that's why it's called draw ellipse. Okay, so I'll just change the wait a second, the position. Okay, so it is very close, right? So I'll set this to 120, and this is 140, this is 120, this is 140. Now let's see, they should be far apart. Still they are close, but it's fine. Okay, so now we will draw okay, triangle. Okay, so yes, draw a triangle. So it has given these all values. So okay, I know it is looking confusing, but no need to worry. What is this? What this means is that there are three vertices in a triangle, right? So for the first vertex we'll set a value for the first for the first vertex horizontal value. We'll set it, then we'll put its vertical value, then for the second vertex, and then for the third vertex, and so on. Okay, for first vertex I'll set 150 one wait a second. So the size it itself makes when you set all the values. Okay, so you don't need to worry about the size. 190, 140. Okay, then 210 and 120. Okay, then 230 comma 100. So okay, so it should work, I guess. Okay, so this is not a triangle. Okay, now the rectangle. Third point, x value. Okay. So for now I will just remove all of this code, so I'll see what is happening with the triangle. Okay, so I'll set this as 200 and this as 100, then this as 150, this as 50, then I'll set this as 125, this as 20. Okay, so it is here, but it's still not drawing a triangle. Okay, so leave the triangle. Okay, one second. Okay, so I'll delete all of this. Don't worry about the triangle. Okay, I don't know if there is some problem. Graphics window dot draw. So actually I've told you everything about uh, the graphics window. So this is just the introduction. So this video contains the basic things to know about in the graphics window. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll meet you in the next video. Bye.